Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Now you will learn how to create paragraph text in Elements. When you enter paragraph text, the lines of type will wrap to fit the dimensions of their bounding box. You can enter multiple lines of text with the paragraph alignment that you select from the Tool Options bar. You can then change the size of the bounding box to change the flow of the text within the bounding box. You can do this while entering the text or after creating the text. You can also use the bounding box to rotate, scale, and skew the text. To create paragraph text, click the Type tool button in the toolbox, and then click either the horizontal type tool or the vertical type tool button in the Tool Options bar. Next, click and drag with your mouse to set the border of the bounding box into which you will then type the paragraph text. Next, set the text formatting options just as when creating point text by using the settings in the Tool Options bar. After that, then type the text into the bounding box. Note that you can press the Enter key on your keyboard to create a new paragraph. Unlike point text, you do not need to press the Enter key to create a new line within the same paragraph, as the text will automatically wrap when it encounters the edge of the bounding box. If you type more text than the bounding box can hold, a small icon which looks like a square divided into 4 quadrants appears in the lower right corner resizing handle. This icon indicates that the text is overflowing its bounding box. You can resize, rotate, or skew the bounding box to adjust it as you type the text if needed. When you are finished typing, click the Confirm checkmark button to commit the changes to the text. Alternatively, to cancel your changes, click the Cancel button.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.